The goal with this activity is to really work the chest. Here's what you're gonna do. Get a bench set up for a bench press. I would normally have this a lot higher, but I was kind of sort of being lazy. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get underneath the bar, like so. Make sure your shoulder blades are kind of pulled downward, so that way you got a nice shelf to press from. And then you're gonna get set up in the bench position, just like so. I am not going with a super wide grip on this. I'm gonna bend the bar slightly, and then from here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna inhale on the way down. I'm gonna pause at the bottom for a 3 to 5 count, and then press out without losing shoulder blade position. Rinse and repeat. And again. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.